Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture we created these files. In this lecture we will learn about tables, how to create tables and what are the tags which are necessary. Type HTML5 and the title table, and here in the body we will start with table tag. So the first thing is the header, so the table head and the row, and we will add a first column here, the heading, serial number, and the second heading, first name, not the name, first name. Not name but first name, then last name, and then add another column, email, and then shift, and gender. So these are the 5 columns, and then the table body. First we will start by creating a row, and then the first column, serial number 1, and the first name, then last name, then email, then shift, and then gender. Let's copy this and paste it. Now we have completed our table. Let's reveal this in Explorer. Double click the file, and here we have the table. Very simple table. Let's change this to 2 and 3. And let's keep this side by side. There are various attributes of table. Let's first use in header, row, align, center. We can align left, right, center. Let's give it a background color, gray. And here you can see that the headings are in center and with background color gray. And let's change this to light gray, and here is the light gray. We can also assign width. So the width in pixels 100, and here it is. Let's assign width to all of other columns. So we are assigning weight to all of our columns. Let's check this. And here is our table. Let's change center to left, and here it is. Let's change shift and gender columns alignment to center. And here it is. And also in the heading, align these to center, and all of our records. And here it is. Now let's add a border to our table, border 1, and here is the border. And if we give this a value 2, then here it is. And if we go a 3, and this is the 3, let's assign a value 30, and this is the border 30. So let's give this to 1, this is 1, and if we assign a 0, it means then no border. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video, and if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.